Hey, baby, you want to go on a walk? Come on, baby, let's go. Let's go on a walk. Here, let me shut the door. All right, let's go. Good girl. Uh-oh, she's limping. Oh, yeah, she has arthritis. I forgot. Which way you want to go, baby, when we get up there? Hey, baby, look at the little birdie. Oh, there it goes. Never mind. Come on, baby, which way you want to go? Come on, let's go. No barking at the neighbors, okay, baby? No barking at the neighbors. There's Lizzie's house. Alright. We're almost to the intersection. Well, it's a long walk. Alright, baby, which way you want to go? This way it is. Exploring the neighborhood. Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You're doing good for an old doggy. Come on, baby. Gotta get out in the middle of the road. Come on, baby. I'm out of breath. You're going too fast, baby. You're going too fast for an old dog. Watch this, Jillian's gonna start going off again. Just wait for it. Before she's gonna start barking. Wait for it. Wait for it. Nope, maybe not. Okay. That's too far away now. I think she can see. She's old. You having fun, baby? She loves walks. I took her on a walk in like a month. She's lucky she gets it today. It's freezing cold out here. Heck, if the sun wasn't out, I would have stayed inside today. You ready to head back home, baby? Alright, let's go. Good girl, let's go. Oh. You okay? Give me a trip over you, baby. It's a nice walk, wasn't it, baby? We're a little ways from home, so this might take a while. She's so happy. Come on, baby, let's go. Good girl. Keep walking. This way. Out of the road, baby. Or at least the middle of the road. Your paws not hurting me, baby? Mine are. Well, I don't have paws, but my feet are hurting me. Exiting Wayside. Come on, baby. We're almost home. It's all the way down that road. No, it's okay. Saw Lizzie's dad out here for a second. Come on, baby. Good girl. Look how cute. She's just hopping about like a kangaroo. Come on, baby, don't do this again. Alright, baby, did you like that walk? Hmm? I went potty a lot of times. Off camera, all the time. Good girl. Did you like the walk? Did you like it? Yeah. Good girl. Let's go. How'd you like the walk, baby? Well, looks like I got it in now. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's get you unhooked. Good girl. I don't think you like that leash that much to keep it on you and walk around the house with it, huh? Alright. That ends it for today, guys. See you next time for more episodes. Goodbye.